Alright guys, this is White Boy Shoes, and today, as you can see, I have some roshes that a kid wanted me to restore at school. A broken heel box, or heel cap, whatever you want to call it, is busted. I'm going to show you how to fix a busted heel cap, as you can see right there. I have already done this one, and this one was way worse than that one. And this one has the form of the regular roshe heel cap. So I'm going to be doing the same thing I did to this one, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what you're going to need is a blow dryer or a heat gun, but in this case I did not have a heat gun. You just want to be careful not to touch the cloth with the heater or the air dryer, because it will burn it. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So you're going to put this on high, and you're going to go back and forth for a few minutes or a few seconds. You want to go back and forth until, and then you'll notice, because when you touch it, it'll be a little warm. Just want to go back and forth, and then you're going to force it back how you want it. So what I'm going to be doing is, when I get that where I want it, I'm going to stuff a shirt into it. So here we go. Now as you can see, it's starting to bend back. This one's going to take a few tries, but see, this is already bending back. So start with this piece. I'm just going to straighten it. See, I have my finger in it. I'm pushing on the side to straighten this. I'm going to let that hold that. Alright, see? So I've got this piece done. So you're really going to want to do it piece by piece, really. It'll help a lot. So I'm going to start messing with this piece right here, where it's bad. I don't know, yeah, y'all might be able to see this. I still haven't got my tripod yet. But, it's got a little V shape right here, where it's messed up. So I'm going to open up. Alright, see, it's starting to fix. Go ahead and push this back like that. I need to soften this piece up right here. As you can see, it's already beginning to fix. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this shirt, stuff it down in here, all the way back to this heel cap right here. Gotta pack it in right there. So this is why I recommend keeping the laces on when you're fixing your thing with your cap, so it stays pushed back. Alright, see, now I got that in there, so I'm just gonna take it. Oh yeah, that one did it right there. Got it just right. And put my hand around it like that. Kind of squeeze and push at the same time, because you don't want to put it back out of place. So push it in, push it that piece back. When you push that piece back, start to curve your fingers like that. But you don't want to get that, if you have like a V right there, you don't want that, so you're going to want to continue to keep doing that process I just told you until you get it right. And then you're going to sit this down and let that finish up. So you're just going to let that cool back down. And I'm going to show you on these. Well, on this one, I took the laces off of these because I have to re-glue that right there, because that's something he wanted me to do for him. I'm going to re-glue it. I might cop these from him. I don't know. I might trade my flights, because he's been mentioning my flights. I'll trade my flights for a pair of his primes, and these, or I'll do my kamikazes for his primes and these. I don't know. But if I do cop these, I will be customizing this back piece and the toe box on both shoes. That's something I will be doing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.